freshly to going on our next topic, meter bridge. Okay, we already completed Wheatstone bridge. The meter bridge is also a advanced version of Wheatstone bridge. So Wheatstone bridge का same purpose है, but little more easy and little more easy to handle. That is the meter bridge. Okay, construction is also a little bit different. So this meter bridge is also called as slide wire bridge. Okay, so meter bridge is also called as slide wire bridge. The meter bridge is a one form of Wheatstone bridge also. This much clear? Okay. What are the parts in the meter bridge? These portions are the wood portions. Okay, wooden pieces. Here a wooden piece है, इधर भी है, इधर भी. Okay. And two ends of the wooden piece, we have to connect a 1 meter length wire that is called as AC. Clear everyone? A wooden piece, two wooden pieces. The two ends are connected to a 1 meter length wire. That wire is made up of, commonly the wire is made up of magnet or constant. What is this? Some of the elements. It will be costly also. So that element is helped to structure these wires A to C. What is the length of the wire? 1 meter. This much clear? Then after that, other end of these two ends, the top or bottom portion contain a 1 meter stretched wire, and the top portion is connected a cell through a key. Clear everyone? The top portion contain a cell with a key. The bottom portion contain a 1 meter length wire. So in between some gaps are here. Am I right? So the first gap, not compulsory. In this gap is X, in this gap is R. Not like that. Any one of the gap is filled with X. X means one of the resistor, but that resistor value you don't know. That is the condition. Clear everyone? The another gap is filled with a non-resistor. हम लोग को मालूम है resistance का value. That's the reason I am putting the value is R. अभी R लिख रहे commonly. Maybe you have value 5 है तो 5 ohm. That is the unit of resistance. Ohm. That's the reason. Okay. This resistance value I don't know. Not compulsory. The first one is X. The second one is R. First one is R. Second one is X. Must be okay. Okay. Then in between, one of the galvanometer is connected, and HR is also connected. What is HR? High resistive. It is a protective element. Maybe high flow of current will be coming. It will be protected. This meter bridge. HR means high resistive element, and through a jockey. Jockey means one of the element is help to turning, moving like in the wire. Clear everyone? Moving through the wire. Okay. Jockey is a connection. Help to the high resistance to this wire. It is a movable also. This much clear? These are the parts of a meter bridge. I repeat once more. The two ends of the wooden pieces are connected in a 1 meter long wire that is made up of magnet and magnet, and the top portion is contained a battery connection with a key, and one of the end is connected to a non-resistor, other end is connected to a non-resistor. In between the portion, the connection guys I am just taking that meter bridge and short to you also. So the connection is going on galvanometer and high resistive element, and through the jockey is movable in the wire. Parts is clear? Just समझ लो ना. So देखो, another explanation. The meter bridge is a modified form of Wheatstone bridge. What is the difference here? Wheatstone bridge have only 4 resistors, 3 non-resistors, 1 unknown resistor. We should adjust that unknown resistor. We should get in the balancing condition. Am I right? But in this case, only 2 resistors, cell connection, and a wire connection also. So this is a modified form of Wheatstone bridge. And a wire AC that is a 1 meter long and uniform cross section. What is the meaning of uniform cross section? Maybe इधर कितना portion है same repeated है. Every point have the same arrangement. No variation कुछ नहीं है ना. इधर current I मिलता है तो इधर भी I मिलेगा. इधर भी I मिलेगा. Okay, different current नहीं होगा. The current will be passing through the wire is same. And next one, the AC is kept stretched between 2 copper strips fixed on the wooden ball, and the wire is made up of magnet and constant having low alpha. Alpha means temperature coefficient is very low, and high resistivity. What is resistivity? Rho. Rho is resistivity. Resistivity means equal to RA by L. You already studied. So high resistivity, and X is a non-resistance and R is a non-resistance. And the battery connected through the other top portion of the wooden arrangement. Introduction is clear? Okay. Pause the video. Pause the video. Very important. Listen here properly. Okay. So introduction is completed. Meter bridge. It contains parts and how it will be. We know. The next going on. What is the purpose of the meter bridge? We already know. We already studied. Meter bridge is a advanced version of Wheatstone bridge. What is the purpose of Wheatstone bridge? To find out the balancing point. So इधर भी क्या चाहिए? We want to find out the balancing point. Clear everyone? But the balancing point find out करने का method different. Okay, listen here. First I am just noticing this HR. What is HR? High resistance. You already know. First step is a suitable resistance is introduced in the resistance box. What is this resistance box? This R. This non-resistance is called as resistance box. The next period we should go to the physics lab and I just showed you what is the resistance box. Resistance box means it is different resistors are available. So which one we wanted, we can to select that resistor. Okay, we should select a resistance. Then after that, key is closed. Which key? This key is closed. Then only the current will be passing through it. Otherwise closed circuit nahi hai na. So key is closed. The jockey D is adjusted such that galvanometer show no deflection. The Wheatstone bridge also आप लोग को मालूम है बैलेंसिंग पॉइंट है तो गैल्वेनोमीटर में करंट नहीं है, गैल्वेनोमीटर करंट इज 0. सिमिलरली इधर भी है बैलेंसिंग पॉइंट इज गेटिंग यू डोंट शो एनी डिफ्लेक्शन इन द galvanometer. Clear everyone? This is the method. We should arrange it first and we should put a X and non-resistance here. We should put a non-resistance here. Switch on the key and this jockey is in our hands. Okay, clear everyone? Then we should move this jockey into this wire AC like that. Okay, so maybe मैं A से start करूँगा, deflection देखूँगा, deflection है. थोड़ा देर के बाद फिर भी move करके देखूँ, deflection है. So any one of the point, only one point, you should get a no deflection in the galvanometer. That point is called as balancing point. That particular position में हम लोग का meter bridge balancing है. Clear everyone? So देखो Wheatstone bridge में क्या क्या दिक्कत था? Voltage करेक्ट करना चाहिए, है ना? Resistance adjust करना चाहिए, then balancing point मिला था. अभी देखो nothing. जॉकी डालो, move करके देखो, any point में 0 हो गया तो balancing, very easy. That's the reason it is called as advanced version of Wheatstone bridge. Clear everyone? Okay. The next one is then the bridge is said to be balanced. When the bridge is said to be balanced, galvanometer to show 0 deflection. What is the meaning? Galvanometer 0 है तो IG current is 0. Clear everyone? What is the meaning of IG current? That bridge current बोलूँगा हम लोग. That particular point में current is 0 है. Then next step, how to find out the balancing point? कैसे पकड़े? Wheatstone bridge में कैसे था? P by Q equal to R by S. This is not like that. This is another expression like that. First step is battery key is closed. Which battery key? This one. Then after that, galvanometer key is closed. Which one? This one. So two keys are closed means the circuit is closed circuit. Then start to the current flow. Okay. Then next one, the balancing length is measured from the left end A. So हम लोग इधर से start हो जाएगा तो अच्छा से आंसर मिलेगा? No. We should only starting from A. Which one? Jockey movement is starting from A. We should get, maybe I will just take my jockey from here. Okay. मैं इधर से पकड़ लिया मेरा jockey, उधर डाल लिया. This is my jockey. इधर से मूव करके देखिए डिफ्लेक्शन है, डिफ्लेक्शन है, डिफ्लेक्शन है, डिफ्लेक्शन. इस पॉइंट में आने के बाद नो डिफ्लेक्शन. You just assume like that. Okay. No deflection into the point. So that's the reason that point I just call it as D. Okay. Then that point I am just taking the length of L. What is the total length of AC?
1 meter.
1 meter. That means how many centimeter? 100 centimeter है ना. So A to D length L है तो B to C कितना है? पूरा 100 है, A to D तक L है, L मतलब length of the balancing point. So D to C
100 minus L.
L. कितना समझ गया? Now where is your balancing point? At D. What is your balancing length? AD. Clear everyone? So I am just writing the balancing length is measured from the left end of the A and expression is X by R. What is X? Unknown resistance. What is R? Known resistance. X by R equal to resistance of AD divided by resistance of DC. I repeat once more. This is your expression in the case of meter bridge. What is your expression of Wheatstone bridge? P by Q equal to R by S. The meter bridge expression X by R, resistance of AD divided by resistance of DC. From the Ohm's law, what is resistance? Resistance क्या? V by I. V by I है ना? So I am just writing I1R. Why I am writing I1R?
V equal to
V equal to
I.
R is internal resistance. Then I am just telling you. Resistance of AD divided by resistance of DC. This much clear? Okay. The resistance of AD I am writing I1R. This R, small r means internal resistance. What is this I1? What is I1? This one is LR. Okay. Then resistance of DC means DC का लेंथ कितना है? 100 minus L of R. Almost keep it in your mind. Capital R is the resistance. Small letter r is the internal resistance. What is the meaning of internal resistance? अरे एग्जाम्पल में बोलूँगा. हम लोग स्कूल में आ गए तो अच्छा बिहेवियर है ना हम लोग का. तो अच्छा बच्चे उधर दूसरे वर्ल्ड में भी नहीं ना. एसमिस बोल के थर्ड क्लास में बैठे. You just went back to your home. क्या सब्जी बनाता तेरा पास मम्मी बना. That is the internal resistance. That's your internal character. Like that, every human have a internal resistance. हम लोग को दो character है ना, दो नहीं 100 out of characters है. So that's the internal resistance. मैं समझ करने के लिए बोलिए 10-15 है. Internal resistance mean में से एक कुछ opposing character है. That is called as internal resistance. हम लोग equation है LR divided by 100 minus L of R. Continuation of the derivation we should continue. Pause the video please Ishita. 12 standards, not right. So we should go on the finishing lines of the meter bridge and its derivation. So what is meter bridge? Help to find out the balancing point. So we already know the expression. What is that expression? X by R equal to LR divided by 100 minus L of R. Okay. I have to specify AD. AD is the D is the balancing point. AD is the length of the balancing point. That is L1. Total length is 100 centimeter. And right to base properly. DC means balancing length. That is 100 minus L1. Okay. Then I am just going on the two conditions here. First we should consider the X in the point 1, R in the point 2. I have already told you not compulsory always like that. I can to place the X in the point 2, R in the point 1. So but in the different equations are different. That's the reason I am specified here. X in 1, R in 2 expression is X by R, L1 divided by 100 minus L1. Maybe X in 2, R in 1, you should write expression X by R, but length is different. L2 means from here, no? So X is here, we should starting the reading from here. Maybe X is the point 1, you should starting the reading from here. So that's the reason I am taking from this distance, I am just taking the length is L2. समझ गया आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं भी एग्जाम्पल दे दूंगा. This X इधर है, R इधर है सोचो, ठीक है ना? So हम लोग का रीडिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करो? इधर से स्टार्ट करो. इधर रीड करके रीडिंग मिल रहा है. इधर आने के बाद 0 है. That means my balancing length is this, not this one. समझ गया? That's the reason I am considering this one is L2. Total is 100. So balance is 100 minus L. सोचो दोनों पॉइंट में सेम आंसर मिलेगा ना, है ना? क्योंकि साइड चेंज हो तो आंसर को चेंज हो जाएगा. नहीं, चेंज करना चाहिए तो हम लोग को अननोन रेजिस्टेंस चेंज करना चाहिए. पोजीशन चेंज कर लें तो आंसर नहीं चेंज होगा. ठीक है ना? दैट्स नॉट अ मैटर एक्चुअली. सो आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू. So So that's the reason we should write L2 divided by 100 minus L2. Clear everyone? Okay, then after that we should consider what is the total length. L1 plus L2 divided by 2. That is the called as total length. Why divided by 2? We should find out the average of the length. That's why. L means L1, that means balance length plus balance length divided by 2. Then find out x by r equal to. अभी देखो x by r में L है, L1 भी नहीं है, L2 भी नहीं है. हम लोग क्या लिखते थे इधर? Average लिखते थे. L divided by 100 minus L. So from that x, r is the known, है ना? X is the unknown. And how to find out unknown? X equal to this r is going to the numerator. RL divided by 100 minus L. You always keep it up. This one is not L1. This is L. Average of the balancing point and balance length of the meter bridge. Clear everyone? Example बोलूँगा मैं फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर दिया, मेरे को L1 का वैल्यू 14.5 मिला, L2 का वैल्यू 100 minus 14.5. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम करने से हम रिवर्स हो जाएगा ना, ऑलमोस्ट 14.5 मिलेगा. मैं आई एम ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, इट इज आल्सो इंस्ट्रूमेंट, सो सम ऑफ द variations will be coming. The second time I am taking the answer 13.8. So next answer is 100 minus 13.8. थर्ड टाइम में कर दिया, मेरे को 14 मिला, इसका आंसर 100 minus 40. So this different answer will be getting in the different measurements. So हम लोग लेंथ कैसे पकड़ेगा? Take the average of that. अभी समझ गए लेंथ का यूज क्या है? Clear everyone? So that's the reason we have to take length. Otherwise L1 directly डालो, L2 डालो, but proper answer नहीं मिलेगा. We should take the average because we should take the measurements like that. That's why. Clear everyone? समझ गया ना? So we should get the answer of x. And after that, so what is x? Unknown resistance. I am writing the unknown resistance wire x is measured and the radius is found. So अभी हम लोग को क्या मिला? Unknown resistance का resistance value मिला. बाकी भी पकड़ना चाहिए. That resistance को कितना length है, that resistance को कितना width है, that कैसे पकड़ेगा? Screw gauge use करेगा. You remember? You already studied in the 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard also screw gauges. What is the use of screw gauge? Small equipments का length, width पकड़ने के लिए use करेगा. So we should using the screw gauge and find out the rho. Rho means resistivity of the unknown resistor. So resistance meter bridge use करके पकड़ूंगा, resistivity screw gauge use करके we should find out. Clear everyone? So rho experiment मालूम है ना? What is the rho? R A by L. R means in this case x. A means area. What is the area? Pi r square divided by L. L means length of the unknown resistor. Then the meter bridge is only used for high resistance value. Unknown resistance का value मेगा ohms में है तो meter bridge अच्छा है. Okay, smaller resistance meter bridge में डालते हैं तो meter bridge is not working. Maybe answer मिलेगा but in a very unpredictable answers will be coming out. Okay, so what is the main use of the meter bridge? To find out high resistance values in the case of unknown resistors. समझ गया? So what is the equation of Wheatstone bridge? P by Q equal to R by S. What is the equation of a meter bridge? X by R equal to L by 100 minus L. L1 कहाँ जाऊँगा? फर्स्ट केस में ना, x by r equal to L1 r divided by 100 minus L1 of r. इस पकड़ के इसके बाद फाइनल आंसर में क्या है? Average of that L divided by 100 minus L. From this expression x equal to RL divided by 100 minus L. समझ गया अच्छे से? You have any doubt? Clear? Stop the video please.